Indulge in the epitome of luxury living with Britanya Aldgate Residence Student Accommodation, your gateway to an opulent experience in London. Offering a variety of studio apartments, this housing option serves as an ideal starting point for your new life. Each room here is a masterpiece in itself, boasting a plush double bed, a generously proportioned workspace, a sleek and modern kitchenette, an ensuite bathroom, and ample storage space for all your essentials. But wait, there's more. Dive into cinematic bliss at the state-of-the-art cinema room, bask in the morning sunshine in the vibrant courtyard, or keep up with your fitness goals at the modern on-site gym. The choice is yours. Its prime location and close proximity to Hult International Business School and London Metropolitan University only adds to its allure. After a day of lectures, unwind with friends at the Mahogany Bar or indulge in a sumptuous meal at Bar Plus Block Steakhouse London Aldgate. And with convenient grocery shopping at E1 Local within easy reach, every convenience is at your fingertips. For weekends, explore iconic landmarks such as the Sky Garden and Hyde Park by hopping on a bus from the nearby Henrique Street bus stop. Make the life you've always dreamed of a reality by securing your stay at Aldgate Residence in London with amberstudent.com.